Welcome to Silver Seek Wednesday. I know today's Thursday. This is your boy, as always, Henry, and thanks for tuning in. But before we get into the video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, and also check out my description below where you will find my social medias and my merch shop. This video is sponsored by Defy the Grid. Now, Defy the Grid is a small company, a husband and wife. They set this up. They're based in Utah, I'm pretty sure. They set this up to do just that. As you see here, guys, is they sell gold backs. They sent me some as well, as you see here. They sell gold backs, silver coins for a good price too, and wallets as well to put your gold backs in. And they sell gold coins as well. So guys, check them out. I will put everything in the description below. And guess what? They gave us a coupon code right here. So make sure you guys use that coupon code at the end of your order to get 10% off. Yeah, I know you guys like discount. So like I said, everything will be in the description below. Check them out. And again, thanks for sponsoring this video, Defy the Grid.
So when we talk about the gold in a gold back, I'm always asked, how do I know that the gold is there? The answer starts with the underlying technology where we're building up a thin layer of gold atom by atom, and we very precisely control that. As we're doing it, as we're making multiple passes and building up those gold atoms, we are constantly checking the thickness as that process goes. Then, after we're done, we shoot an X-ray all the way through the gold, and we're able to check both purity and the thickness and verify that the batch is good. From there, we do another quality control check, and we do a fire assay of bills where we actually melt the gold down, recover it, and weigh it using a very precise scale. And that becomes the basis for establishing that every production run of goldbacks has that amount of gold that we guarantee is in there. Our final check is that we regularly check our own test methods against ISO certified processes and using COMEX certified independent laboratories where they recover the gold themselves from the goldback and verify its content. And that four-stage process is how we have confidence that every goldback reaches the consumer with the precise amount of gold that we guarantee is in it.
But we're gonna get into the video now. Alright guys, as you see here, the spot price. I'm loving this. Gold, $1,830.29. Silver, $20.93. Then you see platinum and palladium. No one cares, even though prices are down as well. I'm loving this, guys. Us noob stackers, this is heaven for us. The vets, yeah, this is hell for you guys. I know for a fact that once all this craziness stops with people freaking out of the, the stocks themselves are down very low, and I have a good feeling that we're headed to a recession.
Please, sir, I want some more.
What?
Please, sir, I want some more.
And what you see here is going to go up so much. Silver, it's probably going to hit 40 bucks. Gold is probably going to hit 2,500. Platinum is probably going to hit 1,500. Palladium is probably going to hit 3,000. You never know. I know something's coming. Guys, start stacking and get other preps as well. So that's why I always say what I say at the end of each one of my videos. So anyway, I'm Private at Metals, and let's go to some deals that's going on right now, guys, with silver rounds. Look at this, R25. I'm loving this. For those who are new to stacking, there's a premium. That's why you see it's 25, and it's a little bit more if you're paying with crypto, e-check, or credit card or PayPal. It's more. Back in the day, there wasn't no premium for nothing. Now, since the demand is getting higher and higher and higher, there's more people like me and you that's stacking. Then they gonna start adding in premiums. So that's what you're seeing here with rounds. Coins, the premium is a little bit more, especially with American Eagles. I don't advise you getting American Eagles, but there's a company that hooks you up if you're new, and I will be showing you guys here in a second. But just check this out, guys. So it's so much to be buying right now. And then let's go and check out some gold and stuff. I know you guys want some of that too. There's nothing wrong with gold. Look at this. I'll also stay away from high premium items like this. Don't buy that right there. Don't buy that. And also collectible stuff, I wouldn't get into that either if you're new. Just get coins. Get what you can get for the lowest. You know, like this. I'll be stacking this right now. I know you may not liking that damn owl, but hey, still silver. It could be a stupid looking owl with a. I'm not a big fan of that either, to be honest. This is ugly. It's an ugly ass piece. Who made that? Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go to SD Boyin. Now, this is the website I'm talking about, guys. That hooks you up. So I'm gonna show you. Don't tell anyone, guys. Though. Wink, wink. Don't tell anyone. I'm playing. Alright. See this here? This American Eagle, American Silver Eagle coin. You see it's $34 and some change. It'll probably come to like $36. If you're new, and if you sign up right now, they will hook you up and give you one of these for spot price right now. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but they are hooking up a lot of people by doing this. It's very nice of them to be doing this. You're gonna be hooked up with basically free money, you know, like another $15 extra, because you don't. They basically just give you a discount for it. Like they take off $18 or something. No, not that much, like 16, and then it'll basically be spot. Because when I bought mine, spot was like 22 something. So yeah. I would sign up now and pick this up and pick up a few rounds as well. Speaking of rounds, we're gonna check some out right now on this website. Stay away from fractional silver as well, because the premiums are high. You can get a little bit of it, but don't get too much. Stick with rounds and some coins. Look at this, 2518. Oh my gosh, this company ain't messing around, man. They all bought that competition. They ain't messing. 24? Guys, you guys seeing this? I ain't see this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Damn, guys. And then everything is out of stock. Yeah, for good reason. Everyone is buying up everything. I gotta get this video out to you guys as fast as I can. Alright, we're gonna go to JM Boyin. This is all the silver rounds that's available. So I'm gonna go a little bit faster, guys, because the last two sites, they ain't hooking you up by SD Boyin. So we gonna run through this. Stay away from those two. You know, stick with these, guys. Just these only, and bars as well. You know what? If you guys want to see some bars, I can show y'all that real quick if I can find it. Okay, where's the bars at? Here we go. Stay away from that. I have some of these. They're very expensive. These are fine. Let's just go with doesn't matter. Let's go with 1 ounce. Yeah, they are a bit higher than a ounce for some reason, but if you want bars instead, here you go. It's a bunch of them too. It's pretty cool looking. I should get me some of these. Wow. Okay. Alright, well, if you guys want to check out some gold, I guess we'll do that too. Stay away from all of these. These are MS69. Yeah, these are collectible coins and rounds and stuff that they be doing. Stay away from those if you're new to stacking. It's no wrong with having a few collectibles, but mainly stack on something that's close to what spot is. Same for with gold as well. I'm mainly a silver guy for obvious reasons, you know, the price. But stay away from the collectible stuff. But hey, it's your money. You do whatever you want to do with it. Alright. We're gonna go to EPMAX. I know I butchered the name probably again. Sue me. We're gonna go to where silver rounds at. Oh, here we go. This website, the silver is a little bit more expensive. I don't think they're getting a memo of what the hell SD Boyin's doing. Does it matter? Let's do this, I guess. Okay, 1 ounce. We'll check out some 2 ounces as well. See, guys, they're a little bit more expensive. Right here. And they're out of stock on a lot of things. See if they got any deals. I don't think they may have anything. We'll see. They got a 1 ounce gold buffalo. That's not too shabby. I'd rather get this Bitcoin, to be honest, because you know you're saving money. See that? You're paying a premium. I'd rather just get this one, but still, gold is $18.29. You're paying like 80 bucks more premium. So I mean, if you want to get it, you can. And let's go some more deals, collectibles, and stuff like that. I'm not the biggest fan of this website, to be honest. Let me know in the comments what's y'all's favorite online buy-in. Alright, we're going to let's check out the 2 ounces. Why they got all this all like this? Let's see here. You know what? I changed my mind. We're gonna go to Money Metals. And let's see what they got going. This cluttered website that they have. Let's check out some rounds right here. It shouldn't matter though. Let's just click that. See what pops up. Not bad. Not bad at all for pricing. This is like the generic version of the Silver Eagle right here. The Walking Liberty. Good price. Real good price. 25. 25. Yeah. Yep. I'm pretty sure all these people keep an eye on each other so they can lower the prices and, you know, get basically it's competition. And EPMAX, I don't know what you guys are doing. You guys need to get involved and start hooking up your customers like what SD Boyin's doing. Actually, everyone else should be doing it too. Not just you, EPMAX. Everyone else. But anyway, guys, right now, you should be honest, guys. If you're not investing in something, you should invest in something, especially precious metals, because it's actually physical currency. You hold it in your hand. Crypto is fine, but what happens if it gets hacked? Then what? Then you shit out of luck. Same for stocks. You'd be a dumbass investing in that right now. But like I said, this isn't really like an investment, but it can be if it shoots up in price, like it's probably will. But it's mainly to preserve your wealth. That's all it is. It's not, precious metals aren't really here to make you rich. It's to make sure that your ass is covered, just in case shit goes down and you need to sell some of your coins to make sure your water bill stays on and your car payments done, you know, stuff like that. So other than that, guys, I'm gonna get ready to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you smack that like button again. Subscribe if you're new. All that good stuff. Check out my description below. You'll see all my social medias and all that. And anyway, I hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of surroundings. Get prepared. Carry a gun. Starts and what else did I say? See that? I'm making a rush because I know what I'm going to do after I get done making this video. I'm gonna go and get some more silver. So anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.